What's going on everybody? Happy Halloween and welcome to my channel. In this week's videos, I'm going to be doing Halloween specials. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make toffee apples. Here I have 6 Fuji apples. We're just going to take the stems out, just by twisting and pulling off. Then with some kitchen cloth, we're just going to make sure these are extremely dry. And these apples right here are organic, and I highly recommend you using organic for this recipe, as normal store-bought apples have a wax coating on the outside. And when there's wax on the apples, it won't allow the toffee to stick on the apples properly. Then with a popsicle stick, we're just going to insert the sharp end into where we pulled the stem out. And we want to push in about halfway. Then once that's done, we're going to put these aside. In a large heavy base saucepan, we're going to add 2 cups of white sugar. And try and make sure it's flat, as we don't want sugar up the sides. Half a cup of water. 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. And what the vinegar does is it balances the flavours out and also prevents the sugar from crystallising. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of red food colouring. And be careful not to get that on your skin or clothes, as it won't come out of your clothes and it stains your skin. We're then going to put this onto a stove and bring it to a boil on a medium heat. And whilst this is coming to a boil, we're just going to gently stir it. And be really careful not to get any of the sugar up the sides of the pot. And if you do happen to get any sugars on the side of the saucepan, just come through with a wet pastry brush and brush them back into the mixture. And the reason we don't want the sugars up the side of the pan is because the sugar will set and turn into crystals, and then you won't have a smooth toffee. So we're just going to continue stirring this until it comes to a boil. And just a quick warning, toffee can be extremely dangerous to make, so just be extra careful, as you can cause yourself some serious burns. And over time, you'll feel that the mixture becomes a lot thinner as the sugar dissolves. Then now that this has come to a boil, we're going to stop stirring, and using a candy thermometer, we're going to bring this to 150 degrees centigrade. And what we're making here is a hard crack toffee. And the really good thing about this recipe, although it may not be healthy, but we're not using corn syrup, which is extremely unhealthy for you. We're then going to turn this off the heat. Then working quickly with the apples, we're just going to lightly coat these. And then put these straight onto parchment paper. We're then going to allow these to completely cool down and for the toffee to set. And there we have our Halloween themed toffee apples. I hope you guys have a great Halloween, eat lots of candy and stay safe. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date with everything that I do on my channel. This week I'll be posting 3 videos with sweet and savoury recipes for Halloween. And don't forget to turn that bell notification on so you never miss one I upload. Please like, share and comment. And if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. Have a great Halloween. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.